Okay, welcome back to the challenge problem. This is optional. If you're here by choice, and I appreciate it. That shows a lot of effort. Well done, way to go. All right, so we have another rectangle, and it measures 5 units in length by 3 3/4 units in width. How do we find the area of this rectangle? Well, let's start with what we know. What we know is that we should probably fill in the rest of the boxes or imagine them. If you get good enough at this, you can imagine the rest of the boxes. You don't need to visually draw them, but it helps me to draw them. I like to see things and get them out of my brain so I don't have to think about it. And then we can count what we have. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So far, we have 15 whole units. Now, we also notice that we have 3/4 right here. It's very clear in this problem that this distance is 3/4 of a whole square unit side length. So this is 3/4 of 1 square. That's plus 3/4. Okay, we're trickier already. All right, well, let's see here. Then we have another 3/4. So that's plus 3/4. Uh-oh, I can see where this is going. Can you? Another 3/4 and a fourth 3/4 and a fifth unit of 3/4. So that's 3 more, plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. Oh my gosh. So we have to add up 5 sets of 3/4. All right. Well, one way to do this, if you know how to if you know how to add fractions, you know that if the denominators are all the same, then all you have to do is add the numerators, and that would give us 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 15. So that would give us, if we wanted to do it that way, that would give us, I'm going to come up here now, okay? That would give us 15/4. Now, if you did it that way, you'd have to also then know from maybe last year or some other time how to turn 15/4 into a whole number and a fraction part called a mixed number. And I don't want to go there right now this early. If you can do it that way, go for it. But I'm not going to teach it right now. Instead, I'm going to think of a different way, okay? Let me get rid of this and create, yikes. Let me get rid of this and create some space. Okay. So let's go. Let's think about, let's see, I like red, it shows up better. Let's think about 3/4 as a drawing, okay? Let's think about this. What if 3/4 looked like this? Here is 3/4, and the 4/4 is right here. So that's like 1 square unit, right? And we have 3 of these fourths. 1, 2, 3. And that is about that right there. They're about the same, okay? So, and then I had it again. I'm going to draw 5 of these, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. And now if we can visualize these almost as like pieces that we can move around the board and reorganize as we need to. There's 3 more for us, and let's do 1 more. Apologize for the messiness. I'm learning how to write with a stylus, which is like writing on glass. It's very hard. So now we have all these 3/4 sets of 3/4 pieces. And we know how that 4/4 would give us a whole, right? If we could fill in this fourth right here, we would have 1 whole that we could add to the 15. So what if we took this fourth right here? What if we took this fourth right here and we moved it over here and we filled it in? Then we'd have another 1 to add. So now we're at, let's keep track of this. Now we're at 15, right? Plus 1. And then what if we took, let's keep doing this. What if we took, let's see, we have 1, 2, we need 2 more fourths, right? So what if we took these 2 fourths, this one here, we brought it over here, and then we just counted this one. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. That's another 1 plus 1 more. Let's keep reorganizing. Let's do green this time. So now we have, let's see, we got this one here, right? No, we have, I'm sorry, wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This got so messy here. Let's see, we're going to put these 3 together in this one, right? We can bring over there. And that's another one, plus another one, right? And that leaves us with just, let me pick another color here. That leaves us, what do I have I not used? Let's use black. That leaves us with just these 3/4 left over. 1, 2, and 3. So we've regrouped. We've treated the fourths almost like puzzle pieces or like pieces on a game board. We've regrouped them. I've tried to use color to show that a little bit. I hope it's clear enough. And we've come up with 15 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3/4. So that we can do. That is going to be, I'm going to write down here at the bottom of the screen now. That's going to be 15, 16, 17. That's going to be 18 and 3/4 square units. All right, so that's one way that you could have solved this very challenging problem. So thanks for working with me. Thanks for thinking through this with me, and keep up the very high level of effort. Really appreciate it. You're doing a great job. Okay.